After 50, your body stops warning you the way it used to. One bad habit today could steal years from your life tomorrow. And the scary part, millions of Americans over 50 are doing these 7 things every single day without realizing the damage is already happening. Point 1. Sitting too much. Your chair could be slowly killing you. Studies show adults who sit more than 8 hours a day have a much higher risk of heart disease and early death, even if they exercise sometimes. After 50, your muscles weaken faster, your blood circulation slows down, and your metabolism crashes harder than before. The human body was built to move, not stay frozen in front of a TV all day. Point 2. Ignoring sleep problems. If you think poor sleep is just part of aging, think again. Adults over 50 who regularly sleep less than 6 hours a night are at higher risk for memory loss, stroke, depression, and even Alzheimer's disease. Your brain cleans itself during sleep. Without enough rest, toxic waste builds up inside your brain like garbage piling up in a city. Point 3. Eating like you're still 25. Your body at 55 is not your body at 25. After age 50, muscle mass naturally declines every single year. But diets loaded with sugar, soda, processed foods, and fast food speed up aging dramatically. Research shows excess sugar increases inflammation, the hidden enemy linked to diabetes, heart disease, and joint pain. Food is no longer just pleasure, it becomes medicine or poison. Point 4. Avoiding strength training. Here's the shocking truth. After 50, you can lose up to 1% of muscle every year if you don't use it. Weak muscles lead to falls. Falls are one of the leading causes of serious injury in older adults. You don't need heavy bodybuilding workouts. Simple resistance exercises, light weights, or even chair squats can change your future. Point 5. Isolating yourself. Loneliness doesn't just hurt emotionally, as it hurts physically. Studies found chronic loneliness can increase the risk of early death almost as much as smoking. After retirement, many people slowly disconnect from friends, family, and social life without realizing the damage. Humans are built for connection. A simple phone call, hobby group, church visit, or lunch with friends can literally extend your life. Point 6. Ignoring regular checkups. Some of the deadliest diseases are silent at first. High blood pressure, diabetes, colon cancer, and heart disease often show little or no symptoms early on. The CDC says regular screenings save thousands of lives every year. Too many people avoid doctors because they feel fine. But by the time symptoms appear, it can already be too late. Point 7. Living with constant stress. Stress after 50 hits differently. Constant stress raises cortisol levels, damages the heart, weakens the immune system, and accelerates aging. Researchers found chronic stress can even shrink areas of the brain linked to memory and decision-making. Your body was never designed to stay in survival mode 24 hours a day. Getting older is unavoidable. Getting weaker, sicker, and more miserable doesn't have to be. The small choices you make after 50 decide whether your next years become your strongest years or your hardest. Start fixing these habits today, because the future version of you is depending on it. If this video opened your eyes, make sure to subscribe right now. This channel is dedicated to helping adults over 50 live longer, healthier, and happier lives. And comment below, which of these 7 habits shocked you the most?